Hello, fifth grade. So here is what we're doing today. We're going to look at the choreography for the first time in forever. So the very beginning are all solos. So the castle staff and Anna do the solos at the beginning. Then on the next page is where we come in. We don't do motions until we start singing for the first time in forever. So you're going to take your right hand. For the first time in forever, drop it on ver. So you're just crossing your body across and down. And then there'll be music, there'll be light, we're just swaying. There'll be music, there'll be light. Other hand, for the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. We just sway again. Then it goes back to Anna. I don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. This time, you do the same motion, but with both arms at the same time. 'Cause for the first time in forever. Then Anna sings, I won't be alone. So that time, you're crossing and down. It is not fast, so it's pretty slow beat there. Then Elsa comes in and we do some motions when she says conceal, don't feel. We don't actually say these words, just Elsa does. So we're gonna do conceal, stack on top of each other. Conceal, don't feel. Conceal, don't feel. And then we come in on put on a show, make one wrong move and everyone will know. Now we're split up into our two groups. Remember, there's group 1, which is Sentner and Vananda's class, and there's group 2, which is McGinley and Johnson's class. So make sure you remember which group you're in. I'm gonna do group 1 first. You're basically just repeating each other though. So group 1's gonna do, but it's only for today, and you gotta make your face look and your hands open, okay? But it's only for today. It's agony to wait. So kind of like we did for don't feel, we're gonna have our strong arms beside us. So, it's only for today, it's only for today. It's agony to wait, it's agony to wait. Okay, so no matter what part you're doing, if you start it or you are the echo, group 2 starts it and group 1 is the echo. No matter which one, those are your motions. It's only for today, it's agony to wait. And then Elsa and Anna sing, tell the guards to open up the gates. Then all of us come in on the gates. So same thing, we're gonna cross like we're opening up the gates. So Elsa and Anna will sing, tell the guards to open up the gates. Then we come in, the gates. For the first time in forever. So we go out and then both go up because it's a big moment. It's a key change. And this is when all the townspeople and extra people start coming onto the stage. So for the first time in forever, we're no longer shut outside. For the first time in forever. This time, you don't go up until ever. So instead of going down on ver, we're going up. And then, on the gates are open wide, we're gonna cross here and look to your right. Cross here and back out. So let's go over that little section again. So, for the first time in forever, the gates are open wide. So we look like a closed gate with our head turned, and then we push open because they're open wide. I know it all ends tomorrow, so it has to be today. I know you can't see my feet, but all I'm doing, I'll try to back up so you can see a little bit. All I'm doing is picking up my heel and putting it back down. So it's not a hard stop. So on has to be today, you just pick up your right heel and put it back down, and we're kind of crossing down like we're making it a hard has to be today. So I know it all ends tomorrow, so it has to be today. 'Cause for the first time in forever, So we did right, left, and then our two groups again. Group one's gonna sing, nothing's in my way. As you're singing that, your hands are here. Nothing's in my way. And you go straight up. So you're here, you scoop up, and you hold it up. Now, group two's gotta wait until you sing today. So you'll hear group one, nothing's in my way. You're holding here, today. So you're gonna go up at two different times. Group one goes, nothing's in my way. Group two goes up on today. All right, that was your breakdown. Click on the next video to see it with music.